we've had a very gloomy year this year. It's been quite depressing to be stuck at home, and you kind of wanted to give our patrons a sign of hope. So the North Star has always been a beacon of hope and inspiration for many across the world. So this year we've just taken that inspiration and given a tribute to the North Star, telling our patrons to come down, have a look at the shimmery Christmas tree, and make a wish for a better future in the year to come. We as a mall were always very prerogative, and we used to experiment a lot with the experience we're giving to the patrons. So nothing has changed over there. We've just become more prudent and more transparent in whatever protocols we are following for ensuring a safe, secure, hygiene environment. That has happened. So through the day, the deep cleans which used to happen at night, we see cleaning happen during the day as well, for our patrons to see that everything is being taken care of. Business-wise, we've actually, the same protocols are being followed. We see business bouncing back as well after the lockdown. And this festive season has helped a lot. People were wary about the festive season, but this year it's been a very good bounce back. We see the same trends which we see every year in terms of category spends, in terms of doubling of the spends. We see all of that stepping in now as well. We are now in a phase where our footfalls are also increasing because of the festive season. So the cyclical trend of every year has continued this year as well. Every year we have a carol singing, we have workshops for kids, we engage with all our patrons. But this year, given the social distancing norms, what we have done is we've kind of innovated that thing. We are kind of distributing do-it-yourself home decor kits to all our participants who are registering with us. We have an event called Jingle All The Way, which is our yearly annual event, a shop and win event. This year as well, we are doing the same with the same stride. Shop for 5,000 at any outlet at Oberoi Mall in a single day, and you'll get one PVR coupon, PVR icon ticket, and you'll get a chance to win Croma gift vouchers worth ₹1 lakh each. So there are 4 winners we'll be declaring this year. We just want to kind of increase the base and thank our patrons, whoever is stepping out at this time. Apart from that, we also have our carol singing coming up on just a day before, on the Christmas Eve. With the social distancing norms at place, we'll have a reduced choir this year, but with the same fun and frolic. So that's all what we've planned this year.